Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use merge nodes in Fusion and DaVinci Resolve. Merge nodes are essential for compositing multiple elements together, like combining text with video or layering effects over your footage. Once you understand how they work, you'll be able to create far more complex and professional-looking compositions. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of the screen and click on Edit. This will take you to the editing workspace where you can begin setting up your project. Before we start working with merge nodes, we need to create a Fusion composition that we can edit inside the Fusion page. To do this, head over to the top left corner and click on Effects. From the drop-down, click on Effects again and scroll through until you find Fusion Composition. Once you've located it, drag it directly onto your timeline. Now that it's there, right-click on the Fusion Composition clip and select Open in Fusion page. This will bring you into the Fusion environment where all the node-based compositing happens. Now it's time to add the nodes you'll be working with. Start by dragging in a background node and a text node. These will serve as the two layers we're going to combine using the merge node. You'll notice the text node is empty at first, so navigate over to the right side where the inspector panel is located. Here you can type in any text you'd like. This gives your text node an actual value and makes it visible in your composition. Next, drag a merge node into your node editor. This is the key element that will allow you to blend your background and text together. A merge node is designed to combine two layers. It works by blending a foreground layer, which is the top element like text or logo, with a background layer, which is typically your base video clip or image. A merge node has three connectors you need to be aware of. The yellow triangle represents the background input. This is where your main clip or base layer connects. The green triangle is the foreground input, and this is where you connect the element you want layered on top, like your text. Finally, there's a blue triangle for an optional mask input, which you can use if you want to control which areas of the foreground are visible. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the yellow and green connectors. Now let's connect everything properly. Take your background node and connect it to the merge node by clicking and dragging from the output of the background node to the yellow triangle on the merge node. This sets your background layer. Next, connect the text node to the green triangle on the merge node. This places your text on top of the background. Finally, connect the output of the merge node to the media out node. The media out node is what sends your final composite back to the timeline. And that's it. You've successfully used a merge node to composite text over a background in Fusion. This same technique applies to any type of layering you want to do, whether it's images, effects, or multiple video clips. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.